Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the metric conversion practice for this gizmo. You're going to go to the search bar and you're going to click to search in Windows and you're going to search the word snip in S-N-I-P. You'll see snipping tool. Right click this and hit pin to taskbar. You're going to need this for inserting your screenshots from the gizmo. Alright, now that we have the snipping tool, you will go to the hub. At the top page, this is how you get to Gizmo. Click More, Digital Resources. You might have to log in with Clever. Let's load in. You're going to scroll down. I see Favorites. I see Language Arts. You're going to go down to Science, and you should see Gizmos. Go ahead and make it your favorite because we're probably going to use Gizmos quite often. Click to open the Gizmos. And you should see your classes. Your screen might look a little bit different, but if I, for example, open a class, you're now going to click Unit Conversions. You can click Launch, or just click that side. Alright, and just like the instructions say, make sure it says metric units only. You're going to change conversion from distance. We're going to start with volume. Okay, and it asks, an aquarium has a volume of 2.75 cubic meters. That's meters raised to the third power. How many liters of water can the aquarium hold? So what we have to do is we drag the correct conversion tiles into this gray box below. When we hit submit, we should have the problem solved. So I'll do this one with you guys. 2.75 cubic meters, meters to the third power, we're trying to convert to liters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a tile that has cubic meters somewhere in the fraction, but it's going to help me to cancel out the cubic meters. So I see cubic meters here, cubic meters. Okay, I have 2 cubic meters, 3 cubic meter tiles. 1 cubic meter, oh, sorry, just 3 cubic meter tiles down here. This is centimeters cubed. So I'm trying to get into liters. I see I can go from a cubic meter to a cubic centimeter. That's not going to help me. I see this one, this allows me to convert between a cubic meter and a milliliter. So I'm actually going to take this and I'll bring it down here. And notice when I do, I'm in a good spot because it cancels my cubic meters automatically, and now I'm in milliliters. But the question asks how many liters. So now I need to grab a tile that's going to let me go from milliliter to liter. So I should have liter and milliliter units. And I see this first tile here, it has 1,000 milliliters and a liter. If I bring it over here, I can see it doesn't cancel. And that's because I need my milliliters in the denominator and I need liter in the numerator. So what I can do with this tile selected, I can click flip tile and it cancels my milliliters and puts me into liters, and there we have it. We have converted from 2.75 cubic meters to liters. And if I hit submit, it's correct. So to get credit for this question, what I'll do is I'll go to my snipping tool. This pops up. Let me click it open. And what you'll do is you'll go to New. What will happen is the screen grays out and you get a crosshair and you can click and drag, as I'm about to show you right now. You're going to drag this space right here. And this has saved now to my clipboard. I can then go into Word. Underneath the volume snippet number 1, I'm going to go Control V to paste it, or I can right click and paste. And I've answered the first question. Shows correct. Now go back to the problem, or to the Gizmo page. Oops, where am I going? Yeah. Okay, and then you click Next. And now you have 4 more to do for volume. When you get the next 4 volume snippets input, make sure to change to density. And you'll do these conversions. You'll solve 5 of these and put those snippets into the Word document. When you're finished, save it and submit it to the correct place on the hub. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and study well.